Welcome or welcome back to another vlog. I'm here at the airport on my way to Taiwan. It was actually a very last minute spontaneous decision. I really legit don't even have an itinerary planned, but I don't know, maybe I will explain the whole story later. But yeah, I'm at the airport now. It's like 7 or something. The boarding is at 7:45. I think I'm just going to get water and try to do like currency exchange. But yeah, I'm so tired. I barely slept because the flight is at 8:15 and I literally woke up at like 4 something. Very tired. I want to sleep. But yeah, that's the deal. I'm so tired. Oh my gosh.
Please inflate the vest at the exit.
Okay guys, I literally just got now I'm waiting for my beef noodles. I literally am sitting like on the side of the street. And then I also picked up scallion pancake with egg and leek bun or leek something. I don't remember, but this is what it looks like. That's the leek one. And then this is scallion pancake with egg. I did not show you why the guy was making it. But yeah, waiting for my beef noodles. I've got the spicy one. I'm not eating anything today, so thank you. Spicy. Thank you. Perfect timing. It's so authentic. I'm ready happy. Okay guys, that game that you saw me throwing balls, I had to throw 3 balls out of 6, but she actually gave me a bonus one to make it 7, and then I could choose a cube, so I chose this cube bag because I actually did 3. Now I'm just going to grab some food. This is some watermelon juice. I literally got it like 3, 4, 5 minutes ago. And I'm almost done because I'm so thirsty. Candied plum. Why am I hearing that Korean song here? I've not come here for Korea. I pushed myself to get something sweet, so please clap for me and subscribe. Oh my god. Let me try. Oh, it's sweet. People are looking at me, but I really don't care what I can. It's quick. Oh my god, it's hard. It's quick. I just got chicken. I need another drink time. Okay, I just got a drink. The winter lemon and melon tea. I believe it was 50 Taiwanese dollars. That's refreshing. You guys, when I say I feel like I literally ate my body weight in food, I'm so full. I need to walk around. Thankfully, I've already taken over 10k steps today. That's what traveling does to you. That's one thing I love about traveling. You will move. You will move. Also, periods are so annoying. I literally got my period yesterday. So today is like day 2. So I got it yesterday afternoon. So today is day 2. And it's so annoying because like even on my flight it was still within the first 24 hours. And it's like so restricting because you're like, oh, I need to go and check, I need to go and change. And for me, it's like if I go home in the middle of the day, I end up wasting some time because I see my bed, or like I'll plug my phone and press my phone and stuff like that. But you know, it's kind of restricting. Like now, I still want to stay outside for a bit, but I'm like, you know, I gotta check and clean and scrub my body and blah blah blah. Just things to do. But yeah, let me just enjoy this breeze. I literally took off the white top that I was wearing. I was supposed to remove it before in my hostel, but I forgot because the AC was there. It flew over my head, and then I came out and I was like, why didn't I remove it? So I used style to find somewhere, and I just took it off. I can't come and kill myself again. Hey y'all, hello. Day 2 here in Taipei. I just grabbed a quick lunch. So actually my accommodation gave like 3 breakfast vouchers. So that was one of the spots that I could go to. Now I'm just making my way to the station. I want to check out Jiufen Old Street. I don't watch Spirited Away, but apparently if you're a fan, you like it. The views are nice. Touristy spots, blah blah. So I'm like, okay, let me just see what is there, and then I'll go to another night market in the night because I came here to what? Eat my body weight in food. I'll see you guys later. Yo, this place is such a vibe, but there are so many shops, like paradox of choice. How do you decide what to get, which one to pick? There are too many options. I don't know what to do. I'm just like walking around. But I just have like a braised pork rice and stuff. Thank you. Yeah, I just got a lemon juice with half ice. They asked me how much ice and how much sugar you want. I got half ice and slight sugar. It's so refreshing. That's the stinky tofu. I can smell it. Wow, you guys, this place really is such a vibe. Traveling solo is not easy. You're like doing everything by yourself, holding all your bags like me, looking for spots to situate your tripod. But this view is so nice. When I was taking my pictures, the sun wasn't here, but it's all good. I'm actually enjoying it. It's such a vibe. And you know, it was such a struggle for me to come on this trip, like mentally. But maybe it's Korea that was the problem. I was telling one of my close friends, because I was like, she was helping me decide like with the trip and everything. And now I'm like, maybe it was scary, because I was telling her like, you know, I don't feel as ambitious as I usually would. Maybe it was just that place that I needed to live, honestly. And it feels good. It feels amazing. Eating my body weight away. But yeah, this country is so easy. Like, I do not need a visa. Apparently with a Canadian license, I don't even need to get like a driver's permit. But the public transit is so easy. Everything is just easy. Street food is cheap. Like, everything just makes sense, honestly. Y'all, I've been here for like almost 40 minutes now, just staring at this view. It's views like this and moments like these that make me just like very, very thankful whenever I travel. I can't help it. Like, I'm like, it's the same God that made me that made this place. Like, that made these like stunning mountains and the water body and everything behind me that also made me like, and he even thinks I'm more than them. Like he thinks I'm like his most prized possession. Like, what a privilege. I'm so grateful. I just feel really blessed. I'm just blessed. I'm a blessed princess, blessed babe, blessed queen for life. For life. Forget about it. Just so nice. I've actually been in this village for like 3 hours now. I didn't even know. Time just went by. You know when you're just like enjoying the experience and pacing yourself? That's like what I'm experiencing now. And someone said it looks really nice at night. So I might probably just spend the whole day here and then leave after sunset or something. I'm on the side where there's nobody here. I guess like people that book tours, they just leave them in like the streets with all the like shops and food and everything and the most popular places. But this is the thing about doing things in your own places, that you can just pace yourself and do whatever. If I was in a tour, if I booked a tour, I would have left by now because they probably just like squeeze. There's always like that time constraint. But yeah, look at the nice view. And people are not really on this side. So nice. Oh my gosh. But I'm so musty. So musty. But yeah, it's not really like challenging to take pictures, which is really, really nice. Oh my gosh, look at this place. Like, look at this place. What the heck? See this view. I'm literally living my best life because there's no one here. Well, the people passing, but like not too many. This girl, she's the it girl right here. She's been with me through all my trips, like through thick and thin, all my trips. Such a vibe. Look at God's creation. Just look at this. How dare you look at this and say God's not real? What do you mean? What do you mean by that? Let's be for real, you know? See, look at the view. Such a vibe. It's so nice. I'm so sticky, you guys. Look at the sunsets. So nice. Just look at God. See God. Talk to him. Better start talking. If you've not prayed today, go and pray now. Thank you. Okay guys, day 2 here in Taipei. I just got to this park. I'm actually tired. I legit just want to lie down and sit here. Or sleep, sorry. Yeah, but apparently this place has like some history information. So I want to like check it out. And then don't know, we'll go from there. Oh my gosh, that's a dripping tree. Let me show you. I feel like dripping trees are just like so stunning. Like, just look. So stunning. Okay, so as you guys saw, I went to the market. This park is so nice. But yeah, you guys, I had to walk to the market to get a drink. I got medium-sized passion fruit juice. I've already drank like half of it, and it was only a 10-minute walk from the like 7 minutes walk from the market to here. And you also saw that video. I got distracted and got like a bun. So she said that it has soup inside. So there was beef, there was pork, there was chives, and there was chicken and mushroom. I got the pork one surprisingly, because I don't know, the way they were advertising the Taiwanese pork meat, I was like, okay, let me try it. Like and I already ate a chives something, so let me show you guys what this bun looks like. I already showed you guys like the video, so this is just the individual one that I got. Yep. I just walked to the hot spring food spa area, but there are so many people there. But I need to stop wasting time and make a decision. I don't know what to do. That's the area. Like, can you see how there are a lot of people just sitting around the back? Yeah, I don't know. I'm dying now. To be fair though, my head is actually pounding, so I think I'm just going to go to my hostel and then so I can wash my hands, and then I'll go to the night market. I can't do this. My head. Okay, you guys, struggle.com, but I need to take a break and eat these things first before I go for round 2. So I got Hong Kong style milk tea, but my head is still hurting. And this is the steak and noodles bowl that I showed you guys earlier. I haven't finished it. The one with like noodles, eggs, steak. I already showed you guys what this looks like. And then I also got duck head. I also could not show you guys because it was just too stressful. My head. That's as much as I can show, but my head. Oh. Sticky rice wrapped in bamboo leaves, 60 Taiwanese dollars. That's nice too.